గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ప్రీవియస్ లెక్చర్లో సింగులర్ సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. నాన్ లీనియర్ పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ గురించి టైప్స్ ఓన్లీ జెడ్ మాత్రమే పీక్యూలతో పాటు జెడ్ మాత్రమే ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి. ఓన్లీ జెడ్ మిస్సింగ్ పీక్యూ ఎక్స్ వైల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతే ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి, ఈ మోడల్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా చూడడం జరిగింది. నౌ ద కంటిన్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లెక్చర్ అండి. So very clearly in the previous examination, JL, DL examination lo adiginatuvanti question, JL, DL, PG entrance examination question, previous question. What is the question? Question is very clearly the complete solution of the complete solution of partial differential equation Z is equal P square minus Q square is option A. Option A is equal 2 into under root A square minus 2 into Z is equal to AX plus Y plus B. Option B, 2 into under root A square minus 1 into Z is equal AX plus Y plus B. Option C, under root A square minus 1 into Z is equal to AX plus BY plus C. Option D, under root A square minus 1 into Z is equal to AX plus Y plus B. These are the options. Here very clearly question is given Z is equal to P square minus Q square, where Z is the X comma Y are missing. X comma Y are missing in the differential equation. Partial differential non-linear అది కూడా డిగ్రీ బికాస్ 2 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ జగన్ మాత్రమే ఉన్నాడు పీక్యూలతో పాటు. జగన్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు? ఏపీలో ఉన్నాడు. సో పుట్ క్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏపీ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. In star equation star, what is the star equation? This is the star equation. Substitution here there. Z is equal P square minus A square P square. Here that P square is the common 1 minus A square. So what is the P value here there? Root Z by under root 1 minus A square. It is nothing but Z power 1 by 2 by under root 1 minus A square. It is nothing but if and only if 1 by P value is Z power minus 1 by 2 into under root 1 minus A square. We know that the total differentiation dz is equal, since dz is equal P dx plus Q dy. We know that Q value is equal to AP. So P dx plus AP dy. So P is the common, P into dx plus A dy. So it is nothing but 1 by P into dz is equal to dx plus A dy. We know that 1 by P value, substitution here and integration. So Z power minus 1 by 2 under root 1 minus A square integration dz is equal to integration dx plus integration A dy. So we know that this value very good at under root 1 minus A square is the common, Z power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to x plus ay plus b. So x plus ay plus b. So where is the x plus ay plus b? In the given options, x plus ay plus b. There is no option kadandi, x plus ay plus b. So there is no option, there is no problem. Problem ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి it is the denominator is it is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 into 1 minus a square, it is nothing but z power 1 by 2. It is nothing but x plus ay plus b. So ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే 2 into under root 1 minus a square into z is equal x plus ay plus b అని. x plus ay plus b. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే మనకి LHS లో ఏం రావాలండి? 2 into LHS. We focus on LHS అండి. LHS. Where is the LHS అండి? 2 into 1 minus a square into z. So it is the, so రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఉందండి మరి. రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఉంది. 2 into under root a square plus 2 ఉంది ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ లో. ఇది 2 కాబట్టి దిస్ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్ ఆప్షన్. ఇక్కడ 2 లేదు, రాంగ్ ఆప్షన్. ఇక్కడ 2 లేదు, రాంగ్ ఆప్షన్. సో ఆప్షన్ బి లోనే ఉంది LHS. సో ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. మరి RHS ఏంటి సార్? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఏవై అని వచ్చింది కదా సార్ మనకనంటే దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. నేనే మీకు రెండో రకంగా కూడా చెప్పాను. ఇది అయినా రైట్ ఆన్సరే, లేదా 2 into under root 1 minus a square into z is equal to ax plus y plus b అన్న రైట్ ఆన్సరే. సార్ అలా ఎలా చెప్తున్నారు అని అంటే దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ హియర్? దేర్ z is equal p square minus q square. It is the homogeneous pq లలో ఉంది. It is the equation star. సో కాబట్టి p is equal to aq అని రాసుకోండి. సో మీరు అలా రాసుకుంటే కూడా ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. aq సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఇన్ స్టార్. స్టార్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేసుకుంటే it is z is equal to a square q square minus q square. The q square is the common. It is nothing but a square minus 1. a square minus 1. There is no problem. 1 minus a square anna a square anna there is no problem అండి. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ప్రాసెస్ సేమ్. సో ఇక్కడ 1 by q is equal 1 by q is equal z power minus 1 by 2 into under root a square minus 1 అని రాయొచ్చు. సో there is no problem. సో ఇక్కడ నథింగ్ బట్ dz is equal to pdx plus qdy. దాంట్లో రాస్తే 1 by q into dz is equal to dx plus it is the dx plus pdx mean p mean it is the a అంటే a dx plus dy. సో ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ మళ్ళీ సేమ్ అదే వస్తుందండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1 by 2 into under root a square minus 1. It is the ax plus y plus b అని వస్తుంది. సో ఫైనల్లీ రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ద సేమ్. సో మీరు ఎలా చేసినా రైట్ అవుతుందండి. ఇక్కడ రూట్ లో 1 minus a square అని రాసిన, ఇక్కడ చూడండి a square minus 1 ఉంది. మనకేమొచ్చింది? 1 minus a square వచ్చింది. అంటే మనకు a square minus 1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుందండి? మనకి ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 minus a square అండి. ఇక్కడ కామన్ తీయండి, ఇక్కడ 1 minute. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఆన్సర్? ఇలా అయినా ఒకటే, లేదా అండర్ రూట్ a square minus 1 into z. దిస్ ఆన్సర్ అన్న ఒకటే. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే 2 into under root a square minus 1 into z is equal to ax plus y plus b. There is no problem and there is no problem. సో అలా రాకపోతే ఆన్సర్ మీరు ఇలా తీసుకోండి, ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో అలా రాలేదని ఆన్సర్ లేదని కాదు. ఇది మీరు అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయాల్సినటువంటి పాయింట్. ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ అండి? సో అనదర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ ద JL DL PG entrance examination. JL DL PG entrance examination. Another question in the previous examination, examiner asked the differential equation. What is the given differential equation? So very clearly and very easy question given the examiner. Very simple and very easy. Very simple and very easy question given in the previous examination. What is the question? Question is very clear అండి. చార్పిట్స్ మెథడ్ ని యూటిలైజ్ చేసే రకంగా ఎగ్జామినర్ అనేటువంటి వాడు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ప్రీవియస్ నెట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద నేషనల్ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ టెస్ట్ అండి. CSIR నెట్ అండ్ సెట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో అడిగాడండి ప్రీవియస్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ హియర్? ద కంప్లీట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ p square plus q square into y minus qz is equal to 0. So here there options. Option A is equal z square is equal a square x square plus ax plus b whole square. Option B, z square is equal to a square y square plus ax plus b whole square. It is the 4.75 marks question, sir, in the CSIR examination. Option C, z square is equal to a square x square minus x plus b whole square. Option D, z is equal a square y square plus ax plus b whole square. These are the options, sir, in the previous net examination question, sir. It is the previous net examination question, sir. It is very simple, very easy, sir. We can utilize the char pit method. What is the char pit? Because why? Because here there x, y, z. There is no x, y missing. There is no z missing. Only PQ does not a clearance in form. So therefore, we can utilize the Char-Pitts method. What is the Char-Pitts method, sir? Very clearly given equation can be written as very clearly given equation f of x, y, z, p, q is equal very clearly y into p square plus q square minus qz is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So where f is equal to, what is the f value here there? Where f is equal y into p square plus q square minus qz is the f value. We know that f suffix x and f suffix p. What is the f suffix p? F suffix p is nothing but y into it is the 2p. What is the f suffix q? F suffix q is equal to y into 2q minus z. Minus z. What is the f suffix x value? Here there f suffix x value is the 0. What is the f suffix y value? It is the p square plus q square. What is the f suffix z? It is the minus q. These are the values. These are the values. We know that Char-Pitts formula. What is the Char-Pitts formula, sir? By the Char-Pitts method. By Char-Pitts formula. What is the Char-Pitts formula, sir? It is dx by minus f sub x p minus f sub x p. It is equal to dy by f sub x cube minus it is equal to dz by minus of q into f sub x cube plus p into f sub x p and dp by f sub x plus p into f sub x z and dq by f sub x y plus q into f sub x z. This is the Char-Pitts formula. This is the Char-Pitts formula. We can substitution the above values. Here there dx by what is the f sub x p, sir? Minus of what is the f sub x p? It is 2py. And dy by what is the f sub x q? It is the 2qy. It is minus f sub x q, meaning it is z minus 2qy. And dz by minus of q into f sub x cube. Q into f sub x cube, meaning it is 2q square y minus qz plus p into f sub x p 2p square y. It is dp by what is the f sub x 0 plus p into f sub x z. It is nothing but minus pq. And dq by f sub x y. It is nothing but p square plus q square plus q into f sub x z. It is nothing but minus q square. Q square cancel. We know that any two fractions are solvable two fractions. We can take that these two fractions are last two fractions this one, sir. Any two fractions and solvable, sir, here there. So take any two fractions, solvable fractions. We can take the last two fractions. dp by minus pq is equal to dq by p square. Here that p cancel. So remaining is, and P into dP plus Q into dQ is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is the right, sir. This is the right. Very clearly. There is no problem. So it is nothing but integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. What is the integrating here there? P square by 2 plus Q square by 2 is equal to 2C. 2C is nothing but A square, where 2C is nothing but A square. So అలా తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే చూడండి సార్, P square plus Q square value is the A. We know that. We know that equation star. What is the star, sir, here there? We have P square plus Q square into Y minus QZ is equal to 0. Here there substitution equation number Y 1. Since by equation number 1, here substitution, it is the A square into Y minus QZ is equal to 0. So therefore, Q is equal A square Y by Z. A square Y by Z. Substitution in equation number 1. Substitution in equation number 1. Equation number 1, P square is equal to A square minus Q square. It is nothing but A square minus A square Y minus Z whole square. It is nothing but A square minus A power 4 Y square by Z square. We can take the LCM. It is the Z square A square minus A square A power 4 Y square by Z square. It is nothing but what is the P value here? That square root of this value. It is 1 by Z. So under root of Z square A square minus A square into A square Y square. Here common is the A square. A square is outside. It is the A. A by Z. It is under root Z square minus A square Y square. A square Y square. So finally, this is the Q, it is the P. We know that dz is equal, what is the dz, sir? Dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy. Substitution here there, sir. Substitution here there. Dz is equal, what is the P, sir, here there? P is equal to A by Z under root Z square minus A square Y square into dx plus what is the Q, sir, here there? Q is equal to A square Y by Z into dy. So Z is the cross product if and only if Z dz is equal, under root A. 1 minute, sir. What is the value, sir, here there? Very simple, very easy, sir. It is the A into under root Z square minus A square Y square into dx plus it is the A square Y dy. So A square Y dy is the other side and the remaining term is the remaining term. What is the remaining term, sir, here there? What is the remaining term? It is A square what is the remaining term, sir? It is Z dz minus it is the A square Y dy is equal to A into under root Z square minus A square Y square. A square Y square into dx. Very good. Here Z into dz minus A square Y dy by A into under root Z square minus A square Y square. So it is A is the outside. So A is the outside or A is outside is nothing but it is nothing but A dx. So ikkada observation cheyandi, sir. Ikkada observation cheyandi. What is the formula here there? We can observe that very clearly. In the numerator can be written as, denominator is under root z square minus a square y square. And the numerator can be written as derivative of z square minus a square y square is equal to a dx. We know that, sir. Derivative of z square minus a square y square is nothing but derivative of z square. It is nothing but derivative of z square is 2z dz minus derivative of a square into 2y into dy. It is nothing but 2 into z dz minus a square y dy. It is nothing but derivative of, since we know that. So 2 multiplied and divide. So it is 1 by 2 into because this term is the 2 multiplied and divide. So finally we got this. Integrating on both sides. What is the integration, sir, here there? E2 is the outside. It is nothing but integration 1 upon z square minus a square y square into d of under root d of z square minus a square y square is equal to 2a integration dx, sir. We know that, sir, very well. Since 1 by root x into dx value is the integration x to power minus 1 by 2 dx. It is x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. It is the 2 root x. It is 1 by root x is the 2 root x integration. It is nothing but 2 into under root of z square minus a square y square. It is equal to 2 into, it is nothing but ax plus b is the constant. B is nothing but 2b anukondi. So 2 here cancel. So remaining term is under root of z square minus a square y square is equal to ax plus b. Squaring on both sides, very good. So it's nothing but z square minus a square y square equal to ax plus b whole square. Finally, z square is equal a square y square plus ax plus b whole square. It is the 4.75 marks in the CSIR examination, sir. Where is the answer, sir? This answer? Where is that answer? Very clearly, this option is very clearly z square equal to a square y square plus ax plus by. We know that this option very clearly. So option B is the right answer. What is the answer, sir? Option B, 4.75 marks in the CSIR net examination question, sir. This question. CSIR net examination question. In the previous examination, CSIR examination, in the CSIR examination question, sir. Another question in the previous examination question, sir. What is the question here? Very clearly. Another question in the CSIR examination. Net examination question, sir. The complete solution of Z into PQ is equal to P plus Q, sir. It is also 4.75 marks, sir. Option A, it is Z square by 2 is equal to 1 plus A into X plus 1 plus A by A into Y plus B. Option B, Z by 2 is equal to 1 plus A into X plus 1 plus A by A into Y plus B. Option C, Z square is equal to 1 plus A into X plus 1 plus A by A into Y plus B. Option D, it is nothing but Z is equal to 1 plus A into X plus 1 plus A by A into Y plus B, sir. These are the options. In the previous CSIR net examination questions, sir. Very clearly given question in the form of ZPQ is equal to P plus Q, sir. P plus Q. Is a very clearly this question. So here that very clearly in the examination, we know that there is no x comma y are missing. X comma y are missing. So it is nothing but we can take Z is the Z and Jaganu and PQ. ఎక్కడ సార్ జగన్ ఉండేది ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. సో Q is equal to ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. Q is equal to ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఆర్ లేదా P is equal to AQ. Q is equal to AQ. Q is equal to AP or P is equal to AQ. So substitution in equation number star. Equation number star. From equation number star, Z is equal to what is the P value? AQ into Q is equal. It is AQ plus Q. Q is the common. It is A plus 1 and Q cancel. So Z is equal. It is nothing but Q is equal to, what is the Q is equal 1 plus A by AZ. 1 plus A by AZ. So here that P is equal to AQ. What is the AQ here there? AA cancel. 1 plus A by Z. 1 plus A by Z. We know that dz is equal P dx plus Q dy. Since dz is equal, 1 minute. Since dz is equal P dx plus Q dy. What is the P value here there, sir? We know that P value, it is 1 plus A by Z into dx. What is the Q value? 1 plus A by AZ into dy. We know that LCM is the AZ. So it is the AZ into dz is equal to AZ into dz. Or Z is the LCM. We can take the Z is the LCM and outside the multiply. Here there Z into dz value is equal to 1 plus A into dx and 1 plus A by A into dy. Integrating on both sides. Integration Z dz is equal to 1 plus A is the constant outside integration dx plus 1 plus A by A outside constant integration dy. We know that this value is equal to Z square by 2 is equal 1 plus A into X plus 1 plus A by A into Y plus B, which is required general solution, or complete solution. The number of arbitrary constants is equal to number of independent variables. Where is the options are very clearly 1 plus A into same, so Z square by 2. Z square by 2 is in the option A. Very clear? Is it clear? It is the previous CSIR net examination question, sir. This is the previous CSIR net examination question. Very simple and very easy question, sir. Very simple and very easy question. So another question in the previous examination. What is the question? In the 3 marks question, in the previous examination question, JL, DL, PG entrance examination question. PQ is equal to 1. Solution passes through THROUGH passes through 0 0 0. Then the value of Z at 0 comma 1 is option A, sir. Option A is the 0. Option B is the finite. 1 minute, sir. ఇలా కాకుండా ఇలా ఇద్దాం. ఎందుకనంటే option A, option B is the 1, option C is the 2, option D is the 3, option E is the B B comma C comma D. B comma C comma D. Here there we know that solution, it is the PQ is equal to 1. There is only in the contain P and Q. What is the general solution, sir? Here there, let P is equal to A, Q is equal to B. So therefore AB is equal to 1. What is the B, sir? Here 1 by A. What is the general solution? Therefore the general solution is Z is equal to AX plus BY plus C, where B is nothing but Z is equal to, we know that, sir. We know that Z is equal to AX plus 1 by A into Y plus C, which is a required general solution. We know that. Z meaning it is a Z of is a here there Z of 0 0 comma unknown. Is it clear? Sir, it is nothing but AX plus 1 by A Y plus C. It is passing through the point. It is passing through. Since X comma Y comma Z point ఏమిచ్చారు సార్ 0 0 0 అని అన్నాడు. అంటే it is nothing but Z of 0 is equal to 0 comma 0 అని అన్నాడు సార్. So substitution here there Z of 0 is equal to A into 0 value is the 0, B in 1 by A into Y value is nothing but 0 plus C. So finally Z of 0 value is the C. Z of 0 value is the nothing but Z of 0 value is nothing but 0. So 0 is equal to C. Finally C is equal to 0. Substitution here there. Z is equal to AX plus 1 by A into Y plus 0. We know that. Therefore Z of X comma Y is nothing but AX plus 1 by A into Y. Here clearly that Z of, where is the value, sir? Z of 0 comma 1. Point value is the 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is equal to A into 0 plus 1 by A into 1. Finally Z of 0 comma 1 value is the 1 by A, where A is arbitrary constant, where A is arbitrary constant. If denominator is the not equal to 0, because denominator is the equal to 0, Z of 0 comma 1 value is undefined. Whenever Z of 0 comma 1 value is the defined, denominator A not equal to 0. We know that very well. Therefore Z of 0 comma 1 is not a 0 value. So option A is the wrong option. Option A is the wrong option. And otherwise A is arbitrary constant, and Z of 0 comma A is arbitrary constant, meaning Z of 0 comma 1 is equal to 1, Z of 0 comma 1 is equal to 2, Z of 0 comma 1 is equal to 3, Z of 0 comma 1 value is the minus 1, Z of 0 comma 1 value is the minus 2, Z of 0 comma 1 value is the minus 3, Z of 0 comma 1 value is the 2024, up to so on, and Z of 0 comma 1 is equal to, for example, minus 34, up to so on. These values, these are infinitely solutions, infinitely values, infinitely many values of Z at 0 comma 1. Therefore how many solutions here there? One solution, and Z of Z value at 0 comma 1 value is 1 2 3. So these are the right. Therefore BCD is the, finally this option is right option. Single option BCD are right. Therefore option E is the right answer. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear? Because A is arbitrary constant. Because A is the arbitrary constant is the right answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? This question is very clear. So another way, we know that in the another way, we know that another question in the previous examination, in the JL, DL, PG entrance examination, it is the complete integral of the complete integral of p square x square plus q square y square is equal to z square. Option A. Option A is nothing but log z is equal to a into log x plus under root 1 minus a square into log y plus c. Option B. It is the log z a into log y plus under root 1 minus a square into log x plus c. Option C. It is the log z is equal to ax plus by plus c. Option D. It is z is equal to a into log x plus under root 1 minus a square into log y plus c. These are the options. These are the options in the previous examination questions, sir. It is very clearly, it is JL, DL, GATE examination and set examination, previous set examination questions, sir. It is the very clear, very easy question, sir. Very clear, very easy question. This question is can be written as p square x square plus q square y square is equal to z square. It is the given question. It is on. It is the homogeneous differential equation in p q x y z, sir. Therefore, divided into z square on both sides, it is nothing but p square x square by z square plus q square y square by z square is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. It's nothing but px by z whole square plus qy by z whole square is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So finally, very clearly, this question, what is the p value, sir? It is nothing but, what is the p value here there? Dou z by dou x. So x into dou z by dou x into yz whole square plus it is the y into dou z by dou y by z whole square. This is the value. We know that very well. Since it is nothing but mere observation, this value is the capital P. This value is the capital P square. That value is the capital Q square equal to 1. Why? Because here that, since here that put the value. Why? Because put it is the dou z by z value. Dou z by z value is the dou z. It is nothing but integrating on both sides. Z is equal to small z is equal to log capital Z plus next dou by x value is the dou x. It is nothing but x is equal to log x. X is equal to log x. And dou y by y value is nothing but dou y, capital dou y and capital dou y. It is nothing but small capital Y is equal to log y. Capital Y is equal to log y. So finally, we get this value is equal to capital dou z by capital X whole square plus capital dou z by dou capital Z by dou capital Y whole square equal to y square. It is nothing but p square plus q square value is the 1. So finally, it is nothing but we know that it is the let capital P is equal to capital A and capital Q is equal to capital B. We know that this is nothing but A square plus B square is equal to 1. So it is B square equal to under root of 1 minus A square. So B is equal to under root of 1 minus A square. This value is the B. What is the general solution? We know that general solution, it is Z is equal AX plus BY. What is that? Capital Z is equal A capital X plus B capital Y plus C. Where is the capital? What is the B here? Here B is equal under root 1 minus A square. Substitution here there. Z is equal A into capital X plus under root 1 minus a square into capital Y plus c. Since we know that z is equal to capital Z is equal to log Z, we know that it is the capital X is equal to log X, capital Y is equal to log Y. Substitution here there. Therefore, it is nothing but log Z is equal to A into log X, plus it is under root 1 minus A square into it is log Y plus C, which is the required general solution. Where is the option here there? Log Z is equal to A log X plus 1 minus A square into log Y plus C. That is the option A is the right answer in the previous examination question. This is the previous examination question. Another question in the previous examination. Question. What is the previous examination question? JL, DL, PG entrance examination question. This question is very clearly, it is the complete integral of very good. Complete integral of z square is equal to pq into xy. So option A is very clearly, option A is equal to log z is equal to capital A into log y plus 1 by A into log x plus c. Option B, log z is equal A into log y plus 1 by A into x plus c. Option C, log z is equal A into log x plus 1 by A into log y plus c. Option D, z is equal ax square plus bx plus c. These are the options in the previous examination question. So very clearly, question is very clearly here that z square is equal to pqxy. Z square equal to pqxy. Here that very clearly, question very clear, sir. So it is nothing but on divided into z square on both sides. It is nothing but pq into xy by z square is equal to 1. Z square is equal to 1. Here that we know that p value. What is the p value here, sir? What is the p value here? So dou z by dou x into this is value is the dou small z by dou y into xy by z square is equal to 1. By z square is equal to y. It can be written as this question can be written as LHS is dou small z by z by dou x by x into dou small z by z by dou y by y is equal to 1. LHS can be written as this. It is nothing but this LHS. It is nothing but dou z by dou x into dou capital Z by dou x. Dou capital Z by dou x. Dou capital Z by dou y capital Y is equal to 1. Why? Because here that very clearly dou capital Z is equal to 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Here that put value is here that put it is that dou small z by small z is equal to dou capital Z. So integrating on both sides, if and only if capital 1 minute, sir. Capital Z gas, sir, here there. Capital Z. So capital Z is equal. It is the log Z. Either it is nothing but dou small x by small x is equal to capital dou x. capital dou x, dou capital X. If and only if integrating on both sides, capital X is equal to log x. It is nothing but dou small y by y. It is equal to dou capital Y. If and only if integrating on both sides, capital Y is equal to log y. So it is nothing but this value is the capital P, this value is the capital Q. Therefore, capital PQ value is the 1. So let capital P is equal to capital A and capital Q is equal to capital B. It is nothing but it is the AB is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1 by A. What is the general solution? We know that general solution capital Z is equal to 1 minute, sir. Capital Z is equal to capital 1 minute, sir. Capital Z is equal to capital Z. This is the capital Z. Capital Z is equal to A into capital X plus B into capital Y plus C. We know that capital Z is nothing but log Z, and capital A into capital X is nothing but log small x, plus B into capital Y is nothing but log small y plus C. What is the B values are here there? Log Z is equal to capital A into log x plus P value is the 1 by A into log y plus C, which is the required general solution. Where is the option, sir? It is nothing but A into log x plus 1 by A into log y. We know that very well. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Is it clear? Is it